There's so many wonderful recipes from Cooking with Paula Deen magazine that I've been able to share with y'all over the years. And the one I'm sharing with y'all next is a wonderful bacon and blue cheese fried potato salad. But in the magazine and in the recipe instructions, we tell you to deep fry, the potatoes, and we are using a nice diced up white table potato, but I am not gonna fry them on top of the stove or even in my deep fryer. I'm gonna do them in the air fryer. So it'll take away a lot of calories. All right, let's see. Now I've sprayed this. You always wanna spray whatever you're cooking as long as it's like potatoes or meat. Because that spray will just help them to kind of crisp up and brown. So these have been sprayed and salted. So I'm probably gonna need to cook these in like 2 separate batches, y'all, so it won't take so long. So I'm gonna cook half of them. Oh my gosh, I guess for about 10 minutes at 400. 10 minutes. And we'll see what we got. Okay, it took y'all about 15 minutes. I've got 2 air fryers. I've got one over here that's handy dandy to me, and then I've got another one over there in the baking center. And quite often I'll find myself using both of them at the same time. I just adore my air fryer. So I had some in there and some in here. And like I said, it took about 15 minutes. 14 or 15 minutes for each load. Oops. Now I do have to be careful or the top will come out. The drain. So there we go. So easy, so much easier than turning on the deep fryer or even cooking it in deep grease on top of the stove. This is just easy and a whole lot less calories. Okay, so we're gonna come over here and we're gonna mix together all the stuff that's gonna make it good. We've got mustard, we've got salt, green onions, lemon juice, black pepper, mayonnaise, and sour cream. Julie. Y'all, I just got a gift from one of the watchers out there, and she sent me the sweetest card. Julie, she said, I hope this card finds you well. I just want to let you know how much I admire you and how you have inspired me for years to be a better cook. I've always enjoyed watching your videos and entering your giveaways. Your generosity, kind, and giving spirit inspired me to send you a gift. I wanna pronounce Julie's last name correctly, but it's Schreifer. Schreifer? Is that right, Julie? Well, whatever. This was so sweet of you. And this is genius, y'all. I want you to look. These are all made on an angle. And you know how we're all the time trying to get down here and make sure that measurement's just right. You know what I mean? And then you have to figure out how you're going to get back up. These sit at an angle. So you read on the inside how much you have. I think this is genius. And Julie said that she's been using these for years. And I didn't even know they existed, Julie. So thank you so much for sharing with me. Makes my heart full, honey. Thank you very, very much. So sweet. So sweet. Thank you, Julie. All right, now I'm going to finish putting our blue cheese potato salad together. I've got my sour cream. I've got my mayonnaise. Black pepper, salt, mustard. It's not much mustard, but a little bit of ground mustard, lemon juice, green onions, and Paula Deen hot sauce. And again, this is one of those delicious recipes from the magazine. So I'm just going to stir that up and stir in the spring or green onions, whatever you call them. Oh my gosh, these potatoes are so good. I'll cook a lot. I think they call nibblers, those little bitty tiny potatoes. I'll squirt them with olive oil and salt and pepper and roast them in the air fryer all the time, and they are so, so good. All right, let's see how much blue cheese. Like 1/4 of a cup, so it doesn't take much. That's probably 1/4 of a cup right there. Okay. This is really, really a good potato salad recipe. You know, if you just want to change either I got a too big a bowl or a too small a bowl. I can't seem to get in between, y'all. Look at that. It didn't look like much wet ingredients going in it, but it was plenty. All right. Our bacon, blue cheese, potato salad. And that was real bacon. It's not those, it was chopped very fine, but it wasn't those imitation things that you buy in the pack. That was real cooked bacon. Delicious. I'm going to use my mixing bowl and eat straight out of it. This is so good, y'all. Even if you say, well, I don't really like blue cheese, I really do think you need to try this. Because the blue cheese is not overpowering at all. I wish you were here to taste it, Julie. Bon appetit, y'all. Yum. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.